Let's create a healing space together. So find yourself a comfortable place to rest and receive healing energy over the next couple of minutes. If you'd like to lay down on a yoga mat or in your bed, get cozy. And once you've found your comfortable position, close your eyes. Close your eyes and begin to connect in with your breath, your life force, and the most healing tool that we have here on the planet is our breath. So let's begin with an exhale out, breathing out any stagnation, anything you've been holding on to. Breathe out, breathe out. And then invite a nice deep inhale all the way down into the depths of your belly, filling up. Bring it through the ribs, all the way up into your chest. Exhale from the belly first. The ribs come in and down and the chest lowers. Hold the breath out. Again, inhale, bring it down into the belly, expanding through the ribs, up into the chest. Exhale from the belly first. The ribs come in and down and your chest lowers. Hold the breath out. Continuing on with your breath, and begin to relax your physical body. So feeling your muscles melting off the bones with every exhale. Allow yourself to feel supported by the bed or the mat beneath you. Fully surrender, letting muscles melt off the bones. Allow your eyes to be gently shut, eyelashes caressing your cheeks. Relax your face. Relax your jaw, space between your teeth. Allow yourself to tune inward and leave the outside world outside, just for now. As you continue to relax and surrender with every breath, allowing yourself to be more present, focused, and aware in your body in this moment, I would like you to focus on something in your life that you would like to receive healing on. It can be a painful relationship. It can be a physical pain, an insecurity, shame, guilt, fear. Anything that you feel like you would like to receive healing, let's focus on just one at this time. Usually the first one that comes to mind is the one that is desiring attention. So let's go with that. I'd like you to feel into this experience that may be hurtful or painful. And know that you're safe to have a look inside of you. Know that you're safe to acknowledge painful things in the past. Reminding yourself that whatever has happened and whatever is inside of you is in the past. You made it through. You're strong and resilient. You have a desire for healing. That's why you're listening here and now. So you're ready to heal and let a part of it go. Let a part of the story of it go. So I'd like you to envision maybe some of your spirit guides or angels, loved ones who have passed on. Allow them to enter the room where you currently are. and form a circle around you. Maybe you begin to feel their energy. Maybe you begin to feel a warmth of their healing light surrounding you. Allow them to support you as we create a healing container. Bring your awareness back to what you would like to heal in this moment. Possibly you can even locate a part on the body where you feel that memory or energy is stored. Maybe it's in the belly, where you feel your hips tightening, shoulders. Allow yourself to go to that area. And bring your attention to that part of your body. This is where the healing begins. I want you to envision your auric field around you, which extends 6 feet out around you in all directions. What is the color of your aura? Whatever color first comes to mind in this moment is what this area of healing requires. As you inhale, feel that auric field around you become a more vibrant, brighter shade. And as you exhale, pull that healing energy into the spot where you feel the tension, where you feel the healing needs to be in your physical body. Breathe into this spot for about 3 to 4 more breaths, allowing the color to make its way through your body. And if you can't locate exactly where it's held in your body, you can pour this energy and this healing light, your healing light, into your heart. And as you breathe, this area becomes a little softer, surrendering old stories, ideas, fears, and expectations. Surrendering the parameters it has created for you and how you show up in the world. And with every breath, allow it to release a little more. Possibly envisioning sending that energy to the light. And stay with your breath for a few more rounds, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. Utilizing the exhale as the opportunity to continue to let go. Maybe you feel your angels and your loved ones support as you do this. Possibly they're holding your head or hands on your shoulders. Maybe you envision one of them holding your feet in a way to ground you, knowing that you're always supported and you're safe to be in your body, and you're safe to heal. You're safe to feel, and you're safe to let go. Take a couple more breaths here. Again, you don't need to release all of it tonight or today. Even if we released 5%, that's quite a bit. And we can come back to it at a later date. Place your hands at your heart and connect in with your heart space. Allowing yourself to feel connected to your heart. And know that you are always supported and loved and guided. Thank yourself for showing up and allowing this healing to occur. And thank all of the supporters, your helpers, your guides that have surrounded you and held you throughout the process.